If you want to manage all of your iCloud data on iPhone 17, you can easily do this by opening Settings, then open Apple account, and over here go for iCloud. When we are here, we have to go for that option called Storage. We have to tap over here. And now if I want to actually get rid of some iCloud photos, I have to click over here. Now just wait until it open. And as you can see, we can simply review photos and videos, or we can turn off and delete all photos. So if I'm gonna click here and select screenshots, I can simply select everything that I want to delete, like so. And that's pretty much it. You can also click select to actually select multiple files. You can select everything and click on the trash icon in the right bottom corner. And it actually looks the same if you want to remove some other things, like some backups, health data, notes, sticker, messages, just everything.